Hey Petty Fam, I'm doing Building My Own Creative Space and Girl Talk with Summerella by QUEENNAIJA. We're gonna get some girl talk, y'all. Let's get into it.
Oh my god, so excited. It's coming again.
Oh, that looks nice, girl.
Do the work, do the work, do the work, do the work.
Wait a minute.
What's up, Queen?
Wait a minute, Queen. Oh.
It's your girl Queen, back with
Hey,
another
girl.
vlog for y'all. Say hi, legend.
Vlog.
Say
Hey,
hi,
legend.
CJ. These are my children. You guys don't know that I had 2 kids. And also I have some special guests here right now. My bestie Summerella. Hello.
Summer girl.
Hey, yeah. They're gonna help me with my grass wall for my room.
Go ahead with your
If you guys don't know, this was one of the Jack and Jill rooms.
girl.
Dang, you matching my wall. You might. Let me put you up on my wall.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a grass wall up, and I have a huge bean bag right there.
Oh.
think I have enough.
I know this ain't no bean bag, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, come fit it.
No. Like, that's just the outside.
Oh, wow. It's coming along, though. I see your vision, girl. Already.
That's a hard ass bean bag.
They gonna teach me how to do it, y'all. What to do? It's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait. So it's it'll be 4 rows of 5. Yeah, that's not
It
bad.
ain't bad.
Okay,
Stop.
so what I gotta do?
I can handle
What
some.
I gotta do? Oh, so just hit
That's
it.
all we gotta do is handle it.
That's all I did. All right, y'all have to see how
Oh,
much
yeah,
this costs.
that's quick. I'm about to lift you up.
No, you can't. I'm about her.
Oh, you're gonna.
You know what?
I want
Okay,
you to
look, so-
smell the peas.
Ew.
I'm
Girl,
Sorry,
stop.
y'all. Put it right here in the corner. Is it working? It's not?
I like grass walls. Comment below. I like that whole aesthetic. Stop. Y'all
What was
better
that
stop.
noise?
You know what? I was not prepared today for a video with Summerella and Queen. I'm gonna be cracking up this whole video. I know it.
Somebody broke something. You know when y'all hurt, like,
Oh my god.
you do that beat though, like, I think it's your broke something.
I think it's like GERD. You need your ladder moved over?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all think y'all knew it?
Alright, so let's together.
Come on, so.
Me and you, Summer. 1,
2, 3.
Wow, that's dangerous. Y'all gonna make her fall. Like, what if all 3 of y'all gonna fall? Hopefully not, but
you gotta get it out.
I gotta lift up.
1,
Y'all.
2. Okay. Oh, we gonna
Nah, right? I don't know.
yeah, because that's a bad idea.
Oh my god. It's happening, y'all. Go Summer.
You know what?
Go Summer.
Everything-
Go to Marcus.
everything
Go to Marcus.
It's not twerk
On
worthy.
camera. Look like a big lard.
Queen, you gonna stop saying that?
You know that look like that little laying strip on a coochie right there.
You know, just already she
Y'all
started.
really came over to help me. I thought y'all would die.
Hey, look, it's still.
Welcome
I
to
can't.
Jocelyn's Cabaret.
Man,
Yes,
every
stop.
No,
desire
it's not
will be
crooked.
Fulfilled.
For real?
You're on the
Yes,
side. Look at
you,
the
baby.
side.
It's not
Do it like
crooked.
it's your birthday.
We were sitting here, y'all, just talking about our old bodies and how we really do not. Horrible it was. We don't regret getting surgery, and I'll do it again. We don't regret it. Like
She said, and I'll do it again.
every time somebody say, "I miss your old body," I just go to my old.
How do
camera
you
roll.
miss our old body?
That's a good question.
I go to my camera roll and I look at my old body and be like, I don't. She said she was shaped like that square.
Oh,
and I was,
y'all do not go in on y'all old self like that.
and I was shaped like y'all just listen. The reason why y'all don't know is because
Our shape was not bad.
No, I hid it very well. I wore big t-shirts.
I did too.
I wore big t-shirts to cover up like my love handles overlapping, and then all y'all seen was the little cuff part under my butt. And I had a little cuff on my butt.
Cup. I didn't have nothing.
Was it
Mine
just like this?
disappeared into my back.
Was it just like this?
It was horrible. Y'all say y'all miss my old body?
What? Why? now y'all gotta show Throwback Thursday pictures.
What, you about to show them?
Put this on the vlog.
What is that? What? Wait.
Y'all don't do her like
I can't lie, y'all. I've been gaining a little bit weight. Like, you look the.
We can't see
I
it,
look
girl.
like a blowfish. You don't look like no blowfish. No, I look like a skunk. You don't.
What? Why y'all going in on yourself? No.
You saw my head? Oh my god. What's that eating? Everything. See, that's.
Y'all know what?
That's the thing. We really gotta stop eating everything. Yeah, they say it's 90%.
You know what though? I think they can be like accountability partners. You know what I'm saying? So she can train with her, and then they can just be snatched the rest of their lives. Why not?
What you eat and then
It's 10% of working out.
We should go to Stone Mountain.
I wanna hike. That's a vlog.
That would be a cute vlog. Hiking. Oh my god, hiking with Summerella and Queen. Hope nobody gets hurt. That would be great.
I feel good.
They're so excited. They got enough energy.
Okay, send me yay. Okay. Yay. Okay, send me yay.
She
Wow.
She was doing all that work and y'all was not helping.
It looked like a tree growing straight out my wall.
Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna put my pictures up right here.
That's cute.
Mirrors, y'all, but I don't think I need mirrors looking at myself. I'm already looking at myself. I'm even gonna look at myself
Right.
in the mirror.
No, that's cute. That's the best. That's the best. Like her magazine covers, yes.
It's coming together.
I'm excited too.
Do the word. Alright, y'all, so we trying to, this little thing I'm trying to get to fluff out, so we just gonna pounce on it. I think you gotta
Y'all know
pounce.
what?
Gotta pounce on it.
Please nobody get hurt. What did that orange thing do to y'all?
I like that, y'all. So if you see me on the street, don't think you can pump me out.
Look, Queen got those hands for y'all haters. Me and MH were talking about that in the comments. Haters, she gonna get y'all. Not the elbow, not the people's elbow.
That's cardio.
That is a workout. Y'all done did some boxing and what, jiu-jitsu and MMA?
You just turned me up to my friend. Not for real. Put me in the shoe like, well, how she do her face? Put me in the shoe like, you know what I want to do for my birthday this year? What? It's like a girls' slumber party sleepover. Do it. Like, well, that'd be so fun. That would be fun.
Aw, that'd be fun. A grown-up sleepover with like the teepees and everything.
Where would you have it at? I think you should Airbnb. Adult Airbnb and have it decked out real cute. And I'm coming out with my lingerie line so everybody can wear my onesie.
The tea. We just got the tea, y'all. She's coming out with a lingerie line. Go Queen.
So y'all forgot to record, but they went home. But this is my grass
Oh,
wall.
that's so
But let me show you something. I got
nice.
surgery. I just went got surgery. Look, y'all.
She gotta stop. This has to stop.
I got a breast implant, and I got
Stop.
a video, another video.
Don't.
I'm so happy with it.
Stop.
Let me tell you, baby.
I don't even know what
Let me
that
go to sleep.
is. What kind of pillows?
Good afternoon, y'all. It's the next day. I woke up this
Hey,
morning. I
girl.
went to my little room and I laid in my little fluffer or my bean bag, and it fluffed up some more. So I was really happy about that, y'all. I just got the shower. I dropped the kids off early. Well, I have no choice to drop them off early. They have school, but I dropped them off at school.
School do be really early, y'all. Like, why? Very, very early. Why we gotta wake these kids up so early?
It's like 12:41 right now. I got like some brand deals to do. Well, some pictures to take for some
brand deals. Okay.
brand deals. I'm gonna do my mask first though, cause I really I need to get rid of these red spots on my face. That's the only thing about being super yellow, cause when you yellow, everything just shows. But I just been up ordering stuff on Amazon. Oh, by the way, look y'all. I'm wearing my waist trainer by Wet Waist Official. Period.
Okay, brand deals. Okay, she doing sponsorships. What Waist Official? We see you, girl.
I'm wearing it because I feel like I've been lacking lately. I was doing my meal prep, and then something happened that I'm not gonna tell y'all about yet because I really don't know. Like, I'm still like trying to figure out if I want to open up to y'all a little bit more or just stay conservative. Something happened where like I got thrown off, and then I went back to eating jerk chicken and like rice and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get my waist back together, and it will do.
First of all, jerk chicken be hidden, okay? And then beans, the peas and rice, that is good for you. Maybe if you get like, never mind, I ain't gonna go into it.
Work, especially when you eat right, drink your water and work out. Y'all wanna?
Okay, she giving us the snatched info.
Mask I'm using this one. It's called
Gleaming, the turmeric one. I see you, girl. Is that a sponsorship too?
It's called Gleaming. Summer actually put me onto that mask, and then a lot of other people said it was good. Honestly, I used it twice only. This is my third time using it, and I actually seen like my skin even out. So it's a good mask, y'all. We're gonna let this dry. But anyway, hold on. I love these Crocs. See this whole thing right here, y'all.
Rocking, you not rocking.
Let me turn this light. I cleared this whole thing out like it was a box in here. It was just stuff leaned up against the wall for no reason. I need to figure out what to do with this room. We got our room, which is gonna get a makeover. The kids' room, which is gonna make over. My room, and then the shoe room. But this one, I really do not know what to do with this because the basement is kind of like gonna be the theater room and all that stuff. But anyway, let's go back in here.
Maybe do the kids' playroom or like a little learning center thing, something, or a workout room.
It's gonna be so cute, y'all. Look it. I'm gonna give me a little neon sign right there. Oh, and the person that did for my birthday, the person that painted this picture for Misunderstood, he also did a purple one for the deluxe. And
I never saw that. That's cute. He did a good job.
I'm trying to hit him up because I want that one too, because I want to put this picture right here and the purple one on that one. And then of course
that's cute, y'all.
And all my plaques and stuff on that wall. And then I'm gonna like
platinum plaques, YouTube plaques. Go, girl. I think it's great that she's building that room because number one, it's a me time room, and then also she can see all of her accomplishments. So if she ever gets down or gets, you know, uninspired, she can look at all of her accomplishments and then go harder.
This was the Jack and Jill bathroom. I'm gonna like design this one so that if I have friends or something come over, like they'll have cute little toothbrush holders and stuff, and you know, just make it real cute and hospitable. But yeah, so
that's good, girl.
This is all I'm doing. I really don't have anything to do. On the 17th of August, I start my movement classes because I have future shows coming up. I'm doing the Hollywood, is it the Hollywood Bowl? I'm doing the Hollywood Bowl in October that Burna Boy is headlining. I'm doing the festival in Vegas in November, and I'm doing her show in New York. Oh my God.
That's awesome. She booked and busy. Booked and busy.
Oh my god, I gotta get ready again. Oh my god. But I'm so happy. I'm so excited to be performing again.
Yay.
Who knows? We might have a couple dancers. Have something going in the background so y'all not just paying attention to me, because even though I'm going to movement class and choreo, I'm not gonna get it down packed by that time. But I'm just happy that I'm making progress, you know, and get myself together. Period. Oh.
Period.
Also, y'all, if you guys like this onesie right here is this guy sent to me, but for the longest I always wanted to put out my own little loungewear line, and I'm working on that now too. But of course it's gonna
We heard when you said it to summer. I'm excited.
be different, my own brand. So make sure you guys look out for that. Oh, give me some ideas, because
I wonder what she gonna name it. Is it? What y'all think she gonna name it? I don't know.
I want a couch in here, like right there. Of course, I move all those things, but I want a couch right there, and I want a nice big shaggy rug. So like, tell me what you guys think. I don't want everything to be all orange. So what color should I put in?
Maybe green, right? Cause like those little, I think it should match the theme of those pictures, the covers, right? What y'all think? Comment below.
Here to compliment everything. Just let me know. So Summer sent me this couch.
Ooh, I like that.
This one is white. She said I can put like all types of, oh, it can lay into the bed too. But she said I can put you know, the color, whatever color pillows, like the accent pillows on here.
Yeah.
But this is really white. I just turned my camera down. I think it's really cute. What y'all think? Should I put this against the grass wall? Let me know. And then like put a little rug.
It'll pop. It'll pop against that green and the orange.
Y'all know I'm an Amazon girl and a Wayfair girl. They need to pay me some money, honestly. I don't know why I'm standing here like this. Like, I really don't have a reason. I don't have a reason, to be honest. I'm gonna end this vlog just standing here like this.
Petty, I've been winning steady. 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 Petty, I've been winning steady.
So I got mine. You feel me?
Yeah.
And ain't nothing wrong with that.
No.
I can write music in there. I have all my studio equipment. And this should have been done a long time ago, but I have like studio equipment. I just need somebody to teach me how to set it up. Armand and Trey maybe, but yeah.
That would be a video too, having them on the vlog, setting up that would be crazy. And you know they're gonna give us a concert basically. I'm here for it.
Yeah. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do some videos in there. Yo, I need to wipe. Well, it's not dry yet. This part gotta dry right here, and that part, the dark parts. Ooh, I need to get my lashes redone, but to be honest, I think I need a lash break because I don't know. This is like maybe my fourth or fifth time getting refilled.
Oh yeah.
It's time. I think it's time for me to just be bald lashed.
Yeah, especially since just wait now until your concert, your performances. Give it a break, and then during your performances, you can have all the lashes.
And just wear some mascara. I got better than sex up in here. If y'all know what that mascara is, bro. Let me stop giving sponsorships. Like, no, y'all.
Pay her. Pay her. You pay her before she advertise your products. Pay her. Get at her.
Need to pay me. But okay, y'all. I'm about to end this vlog. Go wipe off my face mask and carry on with the rest of my day before I have to go get the kids from school because I don't have a sitter today. So let me get everything done, and I will see you guys on another video. I don't know when, I don't know where, I don't know how, I don't know who, what, when, where, how, but you will see me. Goodbye. Oh, make sure you guys stream Misunderstood.
Okay, stream it, y'all. Period.
If you ain't listening to Misunderstood, you missing out.
Period.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad, get us to 100K. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.